Sure took me a lot of wandering around to find this double track. Came from roughly about over that way. Basically just hiking straight cross country. And I'm going to be hiking cross country again soon. So what I do is hike up this double track here to its end, and it's like start hiking up the mountain. So I got to get up to that ridge somehow. I'm basically going to follow this double track. This is what I've been looking for the last 45 minutes. I finally found it. Very glad. Maybe I didn't park in the right spot, but I could have sworn I did. Right by just west of mile marker 81.5. According to what I saw on Google, I'm supposed to just get out of my car and start hiking up this canyon, but I ended up going eastbound towards an old abandoned foundation and some ornamental shrubs. Look like those flowering lilacs. So I was thinking to myself, I remember seeing it on the map, but I didn't see another road branching off to the southwest, which would be this. So I wonder how far, if I follow this going back, how far it'll deliver me from my car. How long I'll have to walk on 178. I mean, pretty soon it's going to be game time, meaning the elevation gain's really going to start kicking in, and this is very gradual. I've had to do a lot of weaving in and out between the shrubs and Joshua trees to get here, so it already took a little bit of my reserve. But see, now once I get towards the foot of the mountain, I'm gonna have to decide, am I gonna go up a gully? Am I gonna face class 3 or class 4 climbing? Am I gonna be side hilling? So pretty soon it's gonna be game time decision making. I didn't think this trail would be as hard to find as it was. I was almost giving up the idea of finding it. I knew it had to be this canyon. This looks just like the canyon I saw on Google Earth. So I thought I saw a couple of big bald spots. So I came down from that way a little bit, and lo and behold, found this little double track. This is what I was looking for the whole way. Now, yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what route I'm going to take going up this. Because I looked at Google Earth, the most direct gully looks like it's extremely rocky from the limited amount of detail I could see on Google Earth. I feel like there are a lot of big rocks in the canyon. So I think some people, I don't know how many people hike this way to Scodie Mountain. I'm not even sure if this is a Sierra Club 100 Peaks section route. I wouldn't see why not, but I don't remember seeing any mention of it when I researched Scodie Mountain. But basically what I'm going to have to do is get up to the ridge line. Once I get to the ridge line, I'm going to basically have to turn left and follow that for a while. I heard there might be a summit block up there. might be possibly a class 3, so I'm gonna have to pay attention. But pretty soon I should be coming to the end of this double track. I believe at about 5,300 feet or 5,400 feet, I believe is when I come to the end of the double track. And then that's when it's going to be decision time. Which route I'm going to take to go up the mountain. Obviously, I'm going to try to pick the least complicated route, if possible. If I could gain the ridge, maybe just going up the slope. I mean, I see some possibilities here if the gully climb gets to be overly rocky for my taste. But from here, I think I have more than 2,000 feet of gain coming up ahead of me. Like I said, the summit in the last clip is 7,294 feet. Like I said, I'm not sure if any of these is the summit, because I don't know if the summit's hidden from view here, but it's gonna be up there somewhere. So see what happens when I get to the end of this road. When I get to the end of this, I'm gonna check in 3 and then take it from there. See you in part 3.